The fringe not only frames the face beautifully, but also gives you the freedom to adjust the look based on your mood or the occasion. It can be styled to fall naturally or pushed slightly to one side for a softer, more understated vibe. The French crop is one of those rare hairstyles that has stood the test of time. Renowned for its effortless elegance and unmatched versatility, this iconic haircut has carved out a permanent place in the world of men's fashion and grooming. Whether you're new to styling or a seasoned enthusiast, mastering the French crop can elevate your appearance and simplify your daily routine. So grab your favorite grooming tools and styling products, because we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the French crop. But before we get into styling tips and techniques, let's first understand what makes this haircut so special and why it continues to be a go-to for fashion-forward individuals around the world. The origins and essence of the French crop. The French crop may look modern, but its roots go back over a century. The style gained popularity in the 1920s, especially among well-dressed gentlemen and military personnel who valued practicality combined with sharp aesthetics. Its clean lines, short length, and refined texture made it ideal for those seeking a no-fuss haircut that still looked polished. At its core, the French crop is about simplicity blended with sophistication. It doesn't rely on loud or extravagant styling. Instead, it focuses on shape, structure, and subtle detailing. This classic cut embodies a perfect balance between neatness and personality, making it a reliable option for nearly every age group and lifestyle. Key features that define the French crop. To really appreciate the French crop, it's helpful to understand the defining characteristics that set it apart from other men's haircuts. Let's break it down. 1. Length and texture. The signature feature of the French crop is its short back and sides, usually cut with clippers or scissors for a clean, close finish. The top section is left slightly longer, allowing room for versatility when it comes to styling. What makes the style come to life is the texture on top. The hair is often layered or point, cut to create dimension and movement. This adds volume and allows for dynamic styling, whether you're going for a neat look or something more casual. 2. The fringe. Perhaps the most eye-catching element of the French crop is the fringe, also known as the front bangs. The fringe is usually swept forward, giving the haircut a stylish and contemporary edge. It can be blunt, choppy, angled, or softly layered, depending on your facial features and personal preference. 3. Side partings. Optional but popular. While the French crop typically leans toward a forward swept fringe, incorporating a side parting can add a touch of classic refinement. This tweak offers more structure and definition and can help elongate or balance facial features. Creating a side part doesn't require a drastic change. It can be done using a comb for a formal look or simply with your fingers for a more relaxed, natural style. Styling techniques. Bringing the French crop to life. Now that you understand the structure of the French crop, let's explore some creative and effective ways to style it. Whether you're heading to the office, a night out, or just looking for a low-maintenance daily look, the French crop can be adapted to suit nearly any situation. 1. The classic textured crop. To achieve the timeless, textured version of the French crop, start with towel-dried or slightly damp hair. Apply a small amount of styling product like a matte paste, clay, or light pomade. Use your fingers to lift the hair on top and define the layers, while creating volume and movement. If desired, you can blow-dry the hair while finger styling to lock in the shape and texture. The result is a clean yet casual appearance that's effortlessly stylish and highly wearable. 2. Slick and sophisticated. If you're aiming for a more polished and formal version of the French crop, go for the sleek look. Begin by applying a water-based pomade or lightweight gel to damp hair. Then comb the hair neatly into place, creating a sharp side parting if preferred. A fine tooth comb will help achieve a smooth finish and sharp definition. This version is ideal for business settings, special occasions, or anytime you want to project a more refined image. 3. Modern messy vibes. For a laid-back contemporary twist, embrace the messy French crop. This look is perfect for casual days or if you prefer a more rugged, natural aesthetic. Start by towel drying your hair and applying a sea salt spray or light texturizing mist. Use your fingers to tussle the hair and bring out its natural waves and flow. Avoid over-styling. This look is all about embracing imperfections and celebrating texture. Finish with a light hold product to maintain shape without making the hair stiff or heavy. Maintenance tips to keep your French crop fresh. A well-executed French crop may look effortless, but maintaining that clean and crisp appearance requires a bit of care. Here's how you can ensure your haircut stays sharp between salon visits. 1. Regular trims. To preserve the distinct shape and texture of your French crop, schedule trims every 4 to 6 weeks. Regular maintenance helps prevent the sides from growing out unevenly and keeps the fringe looking tidy. Even a small trim can make a huge difference in keeping the style style looking intentional and fresh. 2. Invest in the right products. Your choice of hair products plays a critical role in how your French crop looks and feels. Go for high-quality styling products that suit your hair type. For fine hair, opt for lightweight sprays or matte finish clays that add volume without making the hair greasy. For thicker or wavy hair, heavier pomades or creams may offer better control. Incorporating a pre-styling product like a heat protectant or leave-in conditioner can also help protect your hair from heat damage while providing added moisture and manageability. 3. Scalp and hair care. Healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp. Use a gentle shampoo and conditioner tailored to your hair type. Avoid washing your hair too frequently, as this can strip it of natural oils and affect styling results. 2 to 3 washes per week is generally ideal for maintaining both scalp health and style integrity. Occasionally use a clarifying shampoo to remove product buildup, especially if you use waxes or heavier clays regularly. Customizing the French crop to suit your face shape. One of the reasons the French crop is so universally loved is its adaptability. It can be customized to enhance or balance various face shapes. Here's a quick guide: oval face. Nearly all versions of the French crop work well. Play around with texture or fringe style based on preference. Square face. Soften the angles by opting for a slightly longer fringe or more layered texture on top. Round face. Go for a choppy fringe and additional volume on top to elongate the face. Long face. A straight fringe can visually shorten the forehead and add proportion. Always consult with your barber or stylist to tailor the haircut to your unique features for the best results. The enduring appeal of the French crop. From its early 20th century roots to its modern-day resurgence, the French crop remains a favorite for good reason. It's clean, easy to maintain, and suits a wide variety of face shapes and hair types. Whether you're aiming for a structured, professional look or something more laid back and edgy, the French crop offers just the right blend of classic style and modern flair. As grooming trends come and go, the French crop continues to evolve without losing its timeless essence. With a few styling tweaks, the right products, and consistent maintenance, this iconic haircut can help you make a bold, confident statement without needing to spend hours in front of the mirror. So there you have it, a complete journey through the style, structure, and maintenance of the beloved French crop. Whether you're trying it for the first time or refining your current look, this versatile haircut is a reliable option for anyone seeking something sleek, modern, and undeniably stylish. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hairstyle tutorials, grooming tips, and fashion-forward content. Thinking about trying the French crop? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear about your experience and favorite styling methods. Stay confident, stay stylish, and we'll see you in the next video.